Do you have a joint venture?
No, we don't have any kind of joint venture as such, but we have technical or understanding with various companies for distributing our products.
How do you maintain or improve quality?
We are India's first company to get ISO 9001 certified in our product way back in 1999. We are the only Indian company which is having a ISO 9001 2008 certification for manufacturing as well as designing of its products. Most of the companies do have certifications for manufacturing, but MB also enjoys a certification for designing of its product. We have a completely chalked out quality plan as per which all the products are manufactured, and being a mostly exporting company, around 60% of our revenue is generated through exports. We are extremely quality conscious, and most of our exports are going into the developed countries like United States, Germany, Austria, Holland. So our quality is completely in line with all the international standards and qualities.
How much you spend on R&D to develop new products or improve the existing products?
We have a continual development facility as well as a product development team which is working with us. Exact numbers I cannot specify, but we are spending in the range of around 2 to 3% of our top line in various product developments and research and development related activities. We have a dedicated R&D machineries which is existing in our factories, which are generally used to develop new products. The flexible tank is one of the offshoots of this R&D machinery only.
Are you spending the money as per projections at the time of IPO?
Yes, we are completely in line with the projections what are given into the IPO, and we are completely confident that we will be able to complete the entire project as per what is given into the prospectus.
What benefits of expansion will accrue and when?
The main benefits of expansion will be added capacity and added product range. The few of the major new products such as canal liners and geotextiles needed a specific type of machinery. Using this expansion proceeds, we are going to have those new machineries, and the expansion is going to be completed into two phases. The phase 1, the part of the phase 1 has already started in installation, and it will be completed at the end of the August, and the phase 2 will be completed by the end of December 2010. The entire expansion program will be over by January 2011, and as the machines will start operating, as I told you, right from the month of June 2010, we will slowly and steadily keep on getting the benefits of the expansion program.